Dr. Finn here with my lovely assistants, Malika and Skeleton Baxter. I really want you to have absolute success using the MedcoVet laser to treat your dog's ACL or cruciate ligament injury. This laser is fantastic for helping with the pain, inflammation, and healing of your dog's cruciate ligament. So we're going to show you the anatomy on the skeleton, and then we're going to show you the anatomy on Malika when she's standing as well as when she's laying down. When treating your dog's knee or the area of the injury, you want your dog to be laying down. We'll start with, this is our Skeleton Baxter here, and this is the knee area, the area of the ACL or cruciate ligament injury. That's about halfway up your dog's leg, and it's where the bend is. So I'll have Malika stand up real quick. So we have Malika standing up here. This is the area of her knee, or where your dog's injury would be, and it's where it kind of curves. If you have any doubt about where the knee is, you just gently lift up their foot, and it's where the bend occurs. So now we've got the anatomy of the skeleton standing up, the anatomy of the dog standing up. Malika, I see cushion. Down. And now we have Malika laying down, and this curve is where the knee joint is. It's where the bend is occurring. One thing I want to tell you is when you're treating your dog's leg or the joint, keep a hand on the joint. So then you're not drifting off your area of treatment. So for the knee, there's 4 areas for each knee that you're going to be treating. So you keep your hand on it, treat directly front to back, area 1, directly inside to outside, area 2, directly outside to inside, area 3, and the back of their knee. Just gently straighten, use your hand to gently straighten your dog's knee, and if they're having a lot of difficulty or discomfort in straightening, then you just gently massage their hip or the inside of the leg. That's very important. We do want to treat the back of the knee as region 4, directly from the back to the front. Those are the 4 regions of the knee, and you would follow the instructions given on your app. Something that's very important as well. Whenever there's an injury anywhere on a human body or on a dog's body, the other half of the body is compensating. So I encourage all of my clients to treat the other knee, because that knee is taking more of its load. So maybe you don't treat it as often, but it definitely has to be part of the protocol, treating both knees regardless. And then another pro tip, I've got 2 pro tips for you today. The other pro tip is I recommend treating the hip on the side of the injury. So it's the outside of the hip first. You can follow the leg bone, the knee, you're at the knee, then you follow the bone up, and that is their hip joint. With your hands wide like a starfish, do some gentle massage on that hip and laser the hip, as well as the inside of your dog's leg. Because that muscle that's on the inside, the muscle there that's on the inside of their leg, following all the way up to their groin, is very tight because they've been guarding their injury. So I just laser kind of up by the groin, just one area while you're just gently stroking. Pro tip number 2 is to relax, to treat the area where your dog's neck meets her shoulder girdle. This area gets very tight and very sore because any dog with an injured hind leg is planting their front feet and pulling themselves up. And that makes this region sore because these muscles weren't meant for pulling. I hope this was helpful. Just a quick review. You want to have your dog laying down when you're treating the area. You want to have your dog relaxed. You want to treat the injured knee and the hip on the side of the injury and the groin. It's also very important to treat the non-injured side because it's having to take more of the load, and then that area itself will start to hurt. And then our super duper pro tip number 2 is treating the neck region. This is treating muscle. It is not actually helping the cruciate or the ACL to heal faster, but it's making your dog more comfortable. So my goal for you guys is to become the best at-home laser therapist for your dogs as possible. Thanks and bye for now.